The Avantime is possibly the most magnificent automotive folly so far this century, its existence driven by Renault's attempts to invent a new kind of luxury, a counterpoint to the monochromatic, autobahn-honed executive saloons from Munich and Stuttgart.It was also the product of an obligation, a commitment to give the Matra factory at Romorantin in central France something to make in the aftermath of Renault's decision to shift production of the Espace MPV elsewhere now that its body was to be made from sheet steel rather than the ferrous and composite mix that was Matra's speciality. Renault designers were faced with the extraordinary challenge of coming up with a new and glamorous machine using the hardware of a large MPV. It's a tribute to their collective imagination that they managed anything at all, never mind a towering coupe with the profile of a teapot shorn of its handle. The Avantime was a coupe in principle, but unlike almost every other car of this description it did not have a dramatically raked roof line, the necessary flourishes of style created instead by a pronounced bustle and its bay rear window. But it did have a coupe's elongated doors, and pillarless side windows too. If you sat in the sumptuous, sofa-like seat in the rear you could enjoy the breeze and an almost unobstructed view to the side, and above too thanks to the glazed roof. Riding in the rear should have been one of the glories of this car, but hopeless packaging meant that backbenchers had the legroom of rush hour rail passengers. This was not the Avantime's only flaw. Those huge doors, which swung on cantilevered hinges with the weighty momentum of an opening vault, weighed 56 kilos, 123 pounds, apiece and meant that if you parked an Avantime facing up a hill there was a very good chance that you'd be trapped, the door's heft holding it shut.